Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share how to make neem gel at home. And neem gel helps control acne, reduce pimples and keep your skin naturally healthy. So grind the neem leaves along with rose water. Now strain the blended neem leaves and take out the juice. Guys, just try the neem gel and you will start noticing fresh, clear skin naturally. Trust me guys, this gel is really very good and suitable for all skin type. You can see how natural the color of the juice is. It's full of goodness. Convert the juice into a gel. Use beneficial aloe vera gel according to our need. Aloe vera gel keeps your skin soft and healthy. Now add glycerine which keeps the skin soft and moisturized. So finally add a vitamin E capsule which helps nourish and protect the skin. So after mixing everything, add the neem juice. So guys, I want to tell you, usually you buy this gel at high prices in the market. So guys, this time make it at home please. Alright, now mix the mixer well. So here you can see the neem gel is ready to use. You can store in a glass container and use it for up to 15 days. Guys, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment. For more details about the gel, make sure to check the description. Thanks for watching.